Okay, I had one more experiment to show you guys that I'm working with. I put this stuff, this ink, inside of that. Okay, so by doing that, let's see where we at, because I haven't tested this cell in quite a while. Let's put a probe there and a probe there, and look at that. Look at that. So I'm getting the same results. And see how it goes down? Because I want to make sure I'm not touching it and giving it extra, because I would act like a capacitor. But I notice this. If I tap it, it goes up and then it jumps back down. Let me stop touching it. Let's see. Okay. There we at. There we at. See, it went from 1 to 4. Let's see if we can get it higher. No, now it's down to 1. Let's see. This is a pretty elusive cell here. I did something to it. There. Okay, if I put a little pressure on it, like any crystal battery, you're going to get a higher voltage. But, again, that cell should be dead, because that's a dead battery. And this right here, let's see. Maybe it's just hitting the sweet spot, but I'm going to keep experimenting with these things, because like I said, it jumps to all these different voltage. And you see what I had set it down, and it had a main voltage by itself, so I'm glad I got that documented. But I can't tell you what that cell is doing and not doing. Okay, and see, it reads dead. It's at absolutely 0. So let's see here. Maybe it's a short in it. It's definitely acting like a crystal battery, because it's only working if you really put pressure on it. Let's see. See, I put a little pressure on it and it goes up, which the original cells did. But can you see that? Hope that wasn't hard to see. There. See, we'll put pressure on it, release it, and let's see. I think a lot of the pressure went out the bottom of it, because this wasn't. Now I killed the cell altogether. But that was the other cell. It still needs a lot of work, and that was what I wanted to show, that I'm working with that. And I'm probably going to put water on it and see if I can lively that up, because this is pretty dry. So we'll see if I put some water on it. Okay, we put water on it. Let's see if this does anything for this at all, because it was dry. Let's see here. It's not at 0. It is not at 0. Okay, so See, yeah, and it went up again. So putting a little pressure on it. So yeah, that acts more like a crystal battery, and like a crystal battery should. So okay, we're gonna go with that. We're gonna keep experimenting, and hey, we may come up with a new type of cell. Thanks for watching.